We'll guide you through how to add status in Jira. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 by typing the website address into the browser search bar. Click the three dots icon inside the space you want to manage so you can open additional workspace management options. From the available menu options, select Space Settings to access the workflow and project configuration settings inside the selected Jira space. Select the work type you want to add a status to according to your workflow and project management needs. Once the work type has been selected successfully, select Edit Workflow so you can customize the workflow structure and status configuration for the selected work type inside Jira. After the workflow editor opens on the screen, click Add Status to begin creating a new workflow status inside the selected Jira workflow. Type the status name in the search for a status field according to the status you want to create for your workflow process. Select the result to create the status inside the workflow configuration. Next, choose the status category according to your needs, depending on the workflow stage you want to represent inside the project management process. Click Add to add the new status to the workflow. Now you have successfully added a new status inside the Jira workflow. If needed, click on this status needs a transition to add a transition between statuses and create a proper workflow movement between different stages. Select Add Transition to continue the transition setup process. Choose the From status according to your needs so Jira knows which workflow status can move into the new status you created previously. After selecting the transition settings successfully, click Create to add the transition into the workflow configuration. Once the transition has been created successfully, click Update Workflow so Jira can apply the latest workflow changes to the selected work type configuration. After the update process is completed, select Save to confirm and store all workflow changes inside Jira. Now you have successfully added a status with a transition inside the Jira workflow.